Welcome to Tie Dyeing 101, where I will be showing you how to dye a plain white t-shirt with the spiraling technique. Are you ever bored and in the mood to do something fun? If so, tie-dyeing is the way to go. There's so many different colors and techniques that you can use to make it unique to yourself. Today, I want to spark your interest and show you how to make your own masterpiece, so let's get to it. Now we're on to the materials needed. For this project, you're going to need a plain white t-shirt, a tie-dye kit, latex gloves, plastic tub or a sink, rubber bands, tarp or a plastic cover, a Ziploc or a plastic bag, and then a fork is going to be optional. So step 1 of the tie-dyeing process is going to be to prepare your workspace. In order to do this, you're going to want to begin by gathering all of your needed materials. Next, you're going to want to decide on 2 to 4 colors that you want to tie-dye with. After you've decided on your colors, you want to activate them with water. After you have your dyes activated, you're going to want to set up your workspace with the plastic cover, and doing this will ensure that the dyes will not get on your surface. Today, I will be demonstrating how to tie-dye using this one-step tie-dye kit from Tulip. Step 2 is preparing your shirt for tie-dyeing. First, you want to begin with laying it flat on your workspace. Next, I'm going to be using a fork to help spiral the shirt, but you could also easily use your hands as well. My starting point is the middle of the shirt, but you can have your starting point anywhere on the shirt that you'd like. So you're going to want to continue to turn the shirt in one direction to get the spiral effect, and I'm just making sure to straighten out the fabric if it starts to bunch up. Once you have the shirt bunched together, you are going to want to place the rubber bands in pie-like sections across the shirt. And I usually like to make around 6 to 8 sections depending on how many colors I'm using. When you have the shirt sectioned off, you can begin step 3, which is adding the dyes. Make sure to use a generous amount of the dye, but do not oversaturate. You're going to want to place these dyes within the banded sections and add the same colors across from themselves. Once that is done, you want to flip the shirt over and repeat on the other side. Next, for step 4 is setting the dyes. For this step, you are just going to want to place your shirt into a bag for the colors to set. Leave it in the bag for at least 8 hours, but leaving it overnight will make for the best results. For step 5, after you have allowed for the dyes to set into the shirt, you are going to wash it. I did this step off of camera, but after setting, make sure to rinse the shirt with cold water to remove any excess dye. Once this is done, make sure to cut off the rubber bands. This is what the shirt looks like, and after cutting off the rubber bands, you're able to put the shirt into a cold wash and dry. So here is the final result. This is the front and then the back. And I hope that after watching this video, you guys will be inspired to go and try out this tie dyeing technique for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching.